You can create UML sequence diagram directly inside VisualParadigm Online OpenDocs. If you want a diagram that can be reused across multiple pages, start by clicking the plus icon on a node and choose New Component Page. A new diagram component will be created under that node, and you'll be prompted to select the type of diagram. Choose Sequence Diagram, and the diagram editor will open. From here, you can build the diagram manually or use the Create with AI option in the top right corner to generate one automatically. Keep in mind that generating with AI will replace any existing content in the diagram. Once the AI has created the initial diagram, you can refine it and continue modeling as needed. When you're finished, click Save at the top right, then use the left arrow to close the editor. Your sequence diagram is now ready to be reused anywhere in your knowledge base. To insert it into a page, open the page in Edit mode and click Insert. Select Diagram, then choose Import Existing. Pick your sequence diagram, and it will be added to the page. If you don't need the diagram to be reused elsewhere, you can also create it directly inside a page. Go to Insert, choose Diagrams, and select Sequence Diagram. The editor will open, and you can create the diagram manually or generate it with AI. Again, you can touch up the AI-generated diagram if needed. When you're done, click Save, close the editor, and the sequence diagram will appear right inside your page.